you guys 30 90s drugstore lipsticks that you can still buy today. We're gonna do pinks and nudes, berries, then browns. So skip to the timestamps if there's anything that you want to see specifically, but let's get into it. Off with Revlon 463 Sassy Mauve. This one is a nice pinky nude. Next is L'Oreal 754 Sugar Plum. This is a cutesy pearlescent pink. Next is Revlon 657 Fuchsia Fusion. This is super cute. It reminds me of the pink lip that Cher wears in Clueless on her date night. Next is Rimmel 084 Amethyst Shimmer. I've never tried a Rimmel lipstick. I had to go across town to pick this up today, but I love the scent of it. It smells like bubblegum. This is a super cute shade too. Next is Revlon 430 Soft Silver Rose. If you're a fan of Selena, you might know this shade because she wore it to her Astrodome performance. Next is Rimmel 066 Heather Shimmer. This is a little bit more berry than pink or nude, but I do love it. I saw this one a lot on the Reddit pages that I saw of Gen Xers talking about their favorite 90s lipsticks, and I understand why you guys love this one. It's so stunning. Next is Revlon 405 in Silver City Pink. This is definitely a shade I think that is more late 90s, early Y2K, but I think it's so stunning. I love the way that it looks on the lips. It's a very interesting product, but I think I'm gonna reach for it for more 2000s looks. Next is L'Oreal 800 in Fairest Nude. This one a lot. It's a perfect 90s nude. Believe it or not, that was the smallest category that we have, so let's move on to berries. Starting off with Revlon 225 Rose Wine. I like this one a lot, but to be fair, I think it would look so much nicer on a paler skin tone. It would stand out and look stunning. On to a cult classic, it's Revlon's 325 Toast of New York. Looking for the perfect 90s reddish brown, this is your color. Next is L'Oreal's 843 Toasted Almond. This is one that should have definitely been in the nude category, but it's a stunning shade. Next is Revlon 641 Spicy Cinnamon. A few celebrities that were the face of this lip color was Salma Hayek and Jessica Alba. Next is another cult classic 535 Rum Raisin. My most used out of all of these, I actually lost the little sticker, but I know this is Rum Raisin because it's the first 90s lipstick that I bought. This is Wet n Wild's 419 Cinnamon Spice. This is actually the least expensive lipstick out of all of these. I like it. The formula is just a little bit tough to glide on. Next is Revlon 630 Raisin Rage. The face of this lipstick was none other than Cindy Crawford. Next is Revlon 777 Vampire Love. This is the first time I'm trying this one, and a lot of these on the list, by the way, and I thought this was going to be a little bit darker and less berry. I'm really pleasantly surprised. I think it's a really cute color. Next is L'Oreal's 762 Divine Wine. This is just a nice wine stain colored lip. It's very cute. Next is Revlon 840 Rum Berry. Probably the most vampy grunge one that you can find. I think this is a really stunning color. Finally, we have Revlon 477 Black Cherry. It's like the perfect plum color. It's a little intense. I never really reach for it, but it is a very 90s shade. Lastly, we are in the brown category. These are very shimmery, pearlescent, and some of them are a little bit more of a satin finish. The L'Oreal 835 Bronze Coin. A lot of these brown shades are very similar, just varying in the intensity of brown, but I do love this one a lot. It kind of reminds me of like 90s JLo in a good way. Next is Revlon 315 Iced Mocha. I feel this one's very unflattering on me, but it's a cute shade for anybody who wants a shimmery dark brown. Next is L'Oreal 850 Brazil Nut. More flattering than the Ice Mocha on me, and I really like the shimmer pearlescent shades of L'Oreal over Revlon. Next is Rimmel 264 Coffee Shimmer. I love like the bubblegum scent of these. I definitely am going to be reaching for more Rimmel lipsticks. Next is L'Oreal 825 Bronzine. It's super accurate, it's giving bronze, and I didn't think I was gonna like that on my lip, but this is very beautiful. Next is another cult classic, Revlon 300 Coffee Bean. This color out of like the classic 90s Revlon lipstick lineup was my least favorite, but now it's growing on me. I think it's a very stunning color. Next is L'Oreal 857 in Sunwash. It's like the cool undertone cousin of Bronzine. So if you're more of a cool undertone, I would suggest the Sunwash over the Bronzine. Next is Revlon 205 Champagne on Ice. This is giving concealer lips on my skin tone, so a paler skin tone and especially a darker skin tone. This one would look stunning. Next is L'Oreal's 620 Mica. This one was super popular on the Reddit forums. Most Gen Xers said that they used this shade a lot in the 90s. Next is Revlon 103 Caramel Glaze. This is one that would look really good with brown lip liner, but I got lazy and didn't put it on. But this is actually really stunning over brown lip liner. Lastly, we got L'Oreal 810 Sandstone. L'Oreal Sandstone was my gateway into 90s shimmer brown lipsticks, so I had to thank her for this one, and I love any of these. I just think that a brown lip liner is what's gonna make it really stand out. You have 30 drugstore and 90s lipsticks you can pick up today at your local Walmart, your Walgreens, your CVS. Let me know what your favorite lip color is. My top 3 has to be Toast of New York, Raisin Rage, and then Heather Shimmer from Rimmel, which is something I just tried today. So they're all super good. I love 90s beauty, so if you want more videos like this or have any questions about the formulation or which one you think would fit you more, please let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!